Alright, welcome back. Texas Lexus here. So essentially we've got the side marker rear tail light that's built into the side of the body. I'm also missing one of these bulbs that's burned out, so today we're going to replace that one. We're going to be looking mainly at this screw and this screw. And the key is when this thing loosens up, you don't pull it backwards towards the rear of the car. You're going to shimmy it sideways, okay? You're going to need the following 4 items. You need some 7443 light bulbs, a non-marring panel prior, Phillips head, and a flathead screwdriver. Alright, got my flathead here. 2 places to unscrew. Oh, the Japanese are so strong. Oh. Okay, hell of a workout on a Sunday. But it's coming. I hate it when I have to actually use a hand tool. Golly. There we go. Oh yeah, I guess I could have just like reversed that bit. Idiot. Okay, they're coming out nice, which is good. It's probably safer to use a hand tool anyways. Last thing I would do is have to go to Ace Hardware and try to find some rando screw. Okay, this little jammer's coming out. Let's see it. Got ourselves this bolt with like a weird little fixed washery thing on it. Okay, one more. Okay. Got that guy. Sweet. Now, where's our little pry tool? I'm loving these pry tools, man. Oh, that sounded bad. Ugh. The sound of factory glue separating is such a sad sound. There we go. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Okay. Just make sure you guys are getting this. Bring it in a little tighter. Okay. Let's get my pry tool in here. Seem to be kind of little connectors this way. I'm going to give it a little tappy tap. Oh, yeah. Boom. That's what's up. See that there? Super happy. Nothing broke. Oh, God, it sounds like shit's breaking left and right, but I don't think it is. If you want to look down inside here with me, it's kind of fun. That's where people smuggle shit, right? Nice little pocket. Also, as you see here, it's the same as the last one. It's going to be a simple twist and click to pull that bulb out, and then we'll put the new one in, and we'll have brake lights again. So I went counterclockwise to pull her out. Be nice if I could tell if this thing is burnt out. I'm going to hit the brakes. You guys still see it there? Give you a better shot. I'll go hit the brakes and we'll see together if it's burned out or not. Nothing happened. So, let's pull that bulb right out. It's just come straight out. Oh, you bastard. Alright. Got our Sylvania 7443. Long life. That's the one you need. See right here, you just click it right back in. Whew, pushing down the glass is a little freaky. Let's make sure that works before we put it back together. Just as excited as I was gonna say Alexander Graham Bell, but I don't think he invented the light bulb. Okay. One click counterclockwise or back clockwise. Whole assembly's good. Part of me wishes I just would have bought all brand new bulbs. I didn't really realize I was going to be like taking apart, you know, half the vehicle. But we'll see how long they last. And then let's get this thing back in. So, as you see here, there's 2 nipples. I like to use the word whenever I can. Right there. There's 2 holes here. Let's line those babies up. Okay, that's in. And then give it a little shovey shove. Dunzo. Time to get the screws back in. I think I did both tail lights today in about a half hour. And that's while shooting a video, so there's like, you know, a lot more wasted time. Okay. We're gonna screw these in and we'll be done and we'll check it out. So, we're just gonna righty-tighty this back up and we're street legal again. And the most exciting thing will be turning the car on and not seeing that yellow light. Now remember, going rate for a mechanic is about, at least where I live, $90 an hour. If you're lucky, you'll find somebody for 75, but like it's at least $90 an hour, sometimes over $100 an hour, and that's for like a local shop. This shit ain't going in right. Are you going in right? You do not look like going in right. So, as long as you make less than $45 in a half hour, it is probably worth your time to do this by yourself. What I like about doing stuff by myself is it allows me to buy tools, and then that way I'll have the tools the next time, and I get to have a sick tool collection, right? I'm happy. Hope you guys are too. So once again, Texas Lexus, thanks again for watching. Thanks for watching any of the videos. The only reason I'm really willing to like edit videos is because I'm hoping somebody's gonna watch them, so that's cool. We now have 2 videos: how to change the side rear tail light and how to change the tailgate tail light. So if you're not on the right one, make sure you watch the right one. Okay? Thanks again. We can't talk today. Have a good day. So nice.